Hi, today we are gonna see use of could. First one is past ability. She could swim like a fish when she was younger. He could speak 3 languages fluently. Next. Polite requests. Could you please pass the salt? Could I borrow your pen for a moment? Next. Possibility or condition. If you study harder, you could improve your grades. She could attend the meeting if her schedule allows. Next. Suggestion or advice. You could try the new restaurant downtown, it's excellent. She could take a break to relax and recharge. Next. Conditional statements. If it rains, we could postpone the outdoor event. He could join the team if he meets the qualifications. Next. Expressing uncertainty. I could be wrong, but I think the meeting is at 3 o'clock. She could have forgotten about our appointment. Next. Imaginary situations. If I had more time, I could visit all the museums in the city. He could travel the world if he won the lottery. Next. Making suggestions or offers. You could take a break and have some coffee. She could use my laptop if hers is not working. Next. Expressing politeness in responses. Can you help me with this? Response. Sure, I could lend a hand. Is it possible to finish this by tomorrow? Response. It could be a bit tight, but I'll do my best. Next. Expressing past possibility. They could have missed the train, that's why they're late. I could have left my keys at home, let me check my bag again. Next. Permission, polite. Could I use your phone for a moment? Could she join us for the meeting later? Next. Expressing unfulfilled wishes. I wish I could visit my family more often. He wishes he could play the guitar. Next. Describing emotional states. She felt like she could cry after hearing the news. He could hardly believe his luck when he won the lottery. Next. Expressing past abilities that were not used. He could have been a professional athlete, but he chose a different career. She could have pursued a career in music, but she opted for science. Next. Expressing ability in the past. He could run faster when he was younger. She could climb trees effortlessly as a child. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.